Dear students, in this topic we shall discuss the blood supply to the nephron. The kidneys are very small organs which have only 1% weight as compared to the total body weight. However, they receive remarkably large blood flow, that is about 20 to 25% of total cardiac output. Due to this high blood flow, kidneys can filter the total blood volume equivalent every 4 to 5 minutes. यानी हर 4 से 5 मिनट में पूरे ब्लड वॉल्यूम जितना ब्लड ये फिल्टर कर लेते हैं. Dear students, now we shall discuss the blood supply to nephron. First we shall discuss the afferent pathway. The renal artery which supplies blood to the kidney gives off branches called the interlobular branch arteries which project into the cortex. These interlobular arteries subdivide further to form a series of short afferent arterioles. These afferent arterioles supply blood to the renal corpuscle of each nephron. In the nephron, they divide further to form a network of glomerular capillaries. Now we shall discuss the efferent pathway of nephrons' blood supply. The glomerular capillaries recombine to form an efferent arteriole, not vein. आमतौर पर कैपिलरीज जब किसी टिश्यू से निकलती हैं तो ज्वाइन करके वेन्स बनाती हैं, लेकिन जो ग्लोमेरुलर कैपिलरीज हैं दे फॉर्म efferent arteries या efferent arteriole. The flow rate in the afferent and efferent arteriole is different, so that in the efferent arteriole there is less flow rate as compared to the afferent arteriole. So, glomerular capillaries have higher pressure because of low resistance input pathway and high resistance output pathway of efferent arteriole. The efferent arteriole, after leaving the renal corpuscle, divides profusely and forms another plexus of capillaries which is called peritubular capillaries. इस तरह से efferent arteriole ग्लोमेरुलर कैपिलरी से बनी थी और फिर कैपिलरीज का एक नेटवर्क बना रही है जिसे पेरीट्यूबुलर कैपिलरीज कहते हैं. ये जो पेरीट्यूबुलर कैपिलरीज हैं ये सराउंड करती हैं प्रॉक्सिमल और डिस्टल कन्वोल्यूटिव ट्यूब्यूल्स को और लूप ऑफ हेनले को, यानी पूरी रीनल ट्यूब्यूल के इर्द गिर्द नेटवर्क ऑफ कैपिलरीज बना देती हैं. दी पेरीट्यूबुलर कैपिलरीज which surround the loop of Henle are termed as vasa recta. The vasa recta start in the cortex, then enter medulla along the descending loop of Henle and re-enter the cortex with ascending loop of Henle. Now, ये जो पेरीट्यूबुलर कैपिलरीज हैं they recombine and drain into an interlobular vein. Interlobular veins from different nephrons drain into a renal vein that leaves the kidney.